I'm Mindset Coach Laudiaann Sylvest. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. I upload videos every day. Just let's connect. Let's help each other grow our channel so that we can get paid on YouTube. Take care, guys. Love you all. Be persistent, consistent, and let us grow together. Everybody's awesome, making great videos. And I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification so that way you will be notified when my fresh new videos come out. All right, take care, guys. Bye for now.